2030 for the Motor City. So all the projects right now coming, Autodrome, yeah. The Autodrome is also founded by Union Properties only. I will come to the main parts of it. So this is something about Motor City. We have 5 minutes away a GEM school in Motor City. We are 18 minutes away from the Palm Jumeirah, 20 minutes away from the Burj Al Arab, 21 minutes away from the Dubai Mall. So we will be having 1 hour and 15 minutes if we want to go to Abu Dhabi from Motor City, and 48 minutes if we want to go to Sharjah. I will show you the projects they have delivered till now proper. 1987, it was headquartered in Dubai. In 1992, they delivered their first project that was in Jumeirah 1. It was named as Allos Villas. In 1993, it was most traded stock in billion cap. 1996, we came with the shareholder with the Thermo. 1997, there was first Japanese that was delivered, their first retail project that was delivered on Skim Road. In 1998, they started their construction projects, which was the value of 500 million dirhams. And in 1999, they gave the project Al Musa Towers and the mall delivery, which is in Dera. Then it was a Merit Executive Apartments project that they delivered in 2001. That was also in Dera. 2022, they gave us the UP Tower that's on Sheikh Zayed Road. 2003, they complete the Green Community, which is the most iconic project. I will tell you, it's a 20 years old project. Even if you will come, we have a headquarters office in DIP. Even whosoever clients come and visit that, they can't say it is a 20 years old community. Huh? Yeah, exactly. So, yes. Then in 2004, they opened the Dubai Autodrome in Motor City. And 2005, they launched Motor City as the master developer. They were launched as a master developer of Motor City and also the master developer of Uptown Mirdif also. In 2009, they delivered Ritz-Carlton development, that's in DIFC. In 2011, they delivered Index Tower, that's in DIFC. 2016, they delivered Ribbon Mall, that's in Motor City. Then 2017, they delivered the Oya Residence, that is also in Motor City. And recently, they basically gave plots to the different developers there. Recently, they gave plots to Shobha. There is a new project of Shobha that's coming in Motor City, namely Shobha Orbis and Solis. Union Properties gave a plot to them. Bingati is coming to Motor City and the plot is also given by Union Properties only. And now 2024, we delivered one project that was Takaya. That's a Mirdat. So 2004, we delivered the project that was Takaya, in which we have some townhouses, apartments. That is a fully gated community in which we have some villas, townhouses. Now let me tell you about something about Motor City. You basically know that Motor City is all about Dubai Autodrome. Even if you will talk to somebody about Motor City,
how many acres of development is Motor City?
I will come to that properly. First, the Motor City is, whenever we will talk about Motor City, it will be always that the first thought we will come in our way will be Dubai Autodrome. Dubai Autodrome, but the vision for our future for the Motor City 2030 is that we will transform it into livability. People will live, it will be accessibility, people will live there, they will have the sustainability, they will have a greenery there will be a parks there also. And this is the green living they are planning in Motor City. This is all how they are planning the Motor City properly. They are not properly shifting their focus from Dubai Autodrome, but they are also preparing it for the living of people also, so that people can also live there. These are some we have some amenities that would be included in that. Let's come to the project of the Mirdat. So these are some subsidiaries Union Properties have. Servview, Dubai Autodrome, Fit Out, that is for the interiors and all the managements, Dubai Holdings, Edicom, Jimamco, all those Deva Veva projects that we have. These are the subsidiaries. These are the visual pictures that they have delivered. The Marriott Executive Apartments, I told you, in 2001. The second is the Ritz-Carlton, it's in DIFC. That's the Uptown Motor City. This is the Index Tower in DIFC. The launch, I told you, 2000 last year, we delivered the project. We launched the project Takaya. Now there will be Mirdaf, that is on the end of it. This is the project that we are going to launch. Today, there's a launch of this project that its name is Mirdat. And today, we are launching that first tower, M1. And for Mirdat, we are just giving the people a way back to warmth, that they should feel a warmth of home. When it comes to Motor City, people basically don't feel that warmth of home. But with yeah.
With that, construction is already commenced.
Yeah, I will share you the videos also. I will show you the
When
videos.
is the delivery?
Delivery would be in Q4 2028. This is the Motor City, what projects they have delivered. This is all, the number 5 would be the Mirdat. That's the plot for Mirdat. This is the, I will show you the map.
New airport coming, right?
Yeah, Al Maktoum Airport. That I will show you the distance of all those. This is Motor City. You can see the Motor City. That is the location of Mirdat there. We have a Dubai Autodrome already in Motor City, but we have the Dubai International Stadium, that is in Dubai Sports City. That is nearby. That's just 1 kilometer away from it. So we have a very key areas that is close to this project.
Is it connected with metro?
Not yet, but there is a plan for Pink Line.
Which is the nearest metro point for this?
We have a Dubai Internet City nearby. 13 minutes to Dubai Mall, 20 minutes,
This is by road, huh?
yeah. And 20 minutes to Dubai Marina Mall, 21 minutes to Mall of Emirates, and 24 minutes to Dubai Mall. Then if we will talk about schools, we have 5 minutes away a GEM school. We have 9.
Only traffic time or
Which one?
24 minutes? You reaching Dubai Mall in 24 minutes, meaning
Yeah. No. We don't usually face, because we have so many, we have 4 exit points in Motor City. We had only 3, but for the Mirdat, we opened one more extension, that is 311, that will directly connect to you Sheikh Zayed Road. We already opened that entrance, because being a master developer, we got the permission and we opened that entrance. And we have a King School in Al Barsha that is just 10 minutes away, because basically people who comes to live in those areas, they have a concern that we have kids, we want schools nearby.
Al Barsha is how many kilometers?
Al Barsha is just, I would say it would be the distance of 15 or 20 minutes.
Then it is showing 10 minutes.
The school, the proper, if you will talk about the heart of Al Barsha, it will take you 15 to 20 minutes. But school is, it would be at the starting, so it would be only 10 minutes. Then we have 20 minutes to Burj Al Arab, Museum of Future. You will have 22 minutes. Within 24 minutes, you can reach to the Dubai International Airport, and 24 minutes you will reach to the Al Maktoum, that's in Dubai South. That is coming there. So this is the project overview. We will be having 4 towers in it, first, second, third, and fourth. And we will be having retail islands in it also. We will be having smart systems in this project. We will be having green areas in this project. The whole community will be having a 50% of EV charging for the cars. Also, there will be a low carbon materials used in this community and green building certification also. because people have those concerns because there's a very less supply. Where the supply is less, demand is more. We have a very less supply in Motor City. That's why we are making it low carbon material and a green building certification is there. This is the master plan. In M1, we'll be having 19 floors. It is all low rise. Why? Because if we go with the high rise towers mostly, it happens that you don't get that view all the time properly. We have some low rise towers also.
You have sea view or something?
No, there will be two waves for the community because in Motor City you don't have sea waves. In Motor City, else some units are facing the racetracks and some units will be facing the community parks and amenities all. In M1, we will be having a 19 floors. In M2, we will be having a 31 floors. M3 will be having 39 floors. That will be the bit high-rise tower. M4 will be again a 13 floors. This is the landscape vision that they are going to do. Okay. So there will be 26 plus amenities in the project. As I already said, there will be 50% of EV charging too. Total, we have 4 residential towers in it, in which we will be having 1,087 units. There will be 60 studios, 524 one-bed apartments, 380 two-bedroom apartments, 105 three-bedroom apartments, and there will be 18 loft or duplex. Who wants a spacious apartments or something? We have that 18. Now I will show, this will be the view of living room. This will be the dining. We will come to the size. We have different layouts and different sizes of each unit types. Even if you will talk about studios, we have 3 different layouts for the studios also. 1 bedroom, we have multiple sizes, we have multiple layouts for under that, depending upon the floors and all. This would be the overview of the, if we will talk about the community view, this will be the bedroom. This will be the living room. Okay, let's talk about the amenities we will be having. We will be having a sports complex in it. We will be having a co-working spaces. We will be having an indoor cinema, gaming zones, golf simulator. We'll be having 3 multi-purpose halls because basically sometimes there's a family functions, there will be 3 gyms, there will be kids play areas, there will be 2 unguided spas also, there will be community clubhouses, there will be having a half Olympic lamp pools, 2 pool lounges will be there, 2 kids shaded play areas would be there, paddle courts would be there, and we'll be having parks with 2 pet parks seatings also, and we will be having a yoga parks also, Zen gardens also in it. I will show you. This will be the squash courts. What amenities we are talking about? It would be a properly international standard squash courts. These will be the gyms. This will be the golf simulator. This will be the indoor cinema that we'll be having in the community. This is a community club. This will be the proper gaming room. This will be the multi-purpose halls we'll be having. Kids play areas. Co-working spaces where we can work just there, whosoever have the hybrid work culture. This is the retail island. Basically, with these 4 towers, we have a retail islands on the podium level. In these 3 retail islands, we will be having one island will be a cigar lounge area, cafe. One would be a normal cafe and one would be more like a restaurant. All those will be 5 stars. We have a podium level commercials. We basically never sell commercials, we lease it out. We don't sell commercials because all the commercials would be high class, and like we will be having LV, Gucci, all those high class brands will be there, so we never sell the commercial parts. These are the project details, the area you were telling me. The plot area for the project would be 356931 square meter area, in which we will be having just 4 towers. Project areas, GFA would be 1243845 million square feet. Project's planned GSA would be 1097575 million. Project's built up area would be 2241323. That's already discussed that Mirdat's tower height would be G plus 19. And if even if you will talk about the type of units we have, the 60 studios will be having a 6% of studios in Mirdat. Loft will be just having a 2%, that would be 18 units mostly. One bed would be the most apartments we'll be having in it, that would be 304, which will be the 27%. One bed plus would be 220, that would be at 20% of units. Two bedroom would be 248, that would be 23%. And two bedroom plus would be 132, that would be 12%. And the last we will be having three bedrooms, that would be 105 units, that would be of 10%, which is total 1087 total units would be delivered in the Mirdat project. And this Mirdat project, why only, even if you will see the Shobha, in this area, in these four towers, Shobha will at least deliver more than 3,000, 4,000 units. Why? Because Shobha provides very small sizes. The sizes Shobha provides for one bed, we provide that for studios. We have a very spacious layouts even when it comes to studios. And even the one bed we provide, Shobha provides that for the three bed. We provide such sizes for just one bed. So that's why we have less units in the project, so that we can provide families a spacious units where they can feel the warmth of the home. This will be the starting prices. The studio sizes will be starting from 377 to 511 square feet. And the pricing will start from 799K dirhams. One bedroom will be starting from 652 to 920, and it would be starting from 1.3 million dirhams. One bedroom plus maid, one bedroom plus means one bed or one multi-purpose room, we can say. That would be starting from 761 square feet to 128 square feet. And it would be, price would be starting from 1.491 million dirhams. Two bedroom, it would be 101 to 1130. And the pricing would be start from 1.96 million dirhams. And also the sizes will range because we have different layouts in the different floors. And also we will be having units, some units will be having balconies and some will not have. And the 19th floor will be, all the units will be without balconies. Yeah, this is the lump sum. This is the starting prices, and it also depends upon the sizes you will take, the floors you will take, the sizes you will prefer to. The prices will.
All inclusive, or there are any other hidden charges?
No. It's all inclusive. There is.
India, they charge
Exactly. Let me come to this point then. In India, even if you will get a property of 5 CR, what actually is in your hand? Even if you want to sell it, you will get just a 4 CR in your hand, because 1 CR you have to anyway give to government, right? Or 50 lakh you have to pay taxes there, right? That means you're not buying a property value of 5 CR for your pocket, you're buying just a 4.5, because anyway 50 you have to give to government. Even if you will.
Even if I have to buy in Dubai, I have to pay 20% tax to India. Indian government, do you know that?
I know that, but there are ways where we can manage that properly. You don't need. There are different visas for that. Like even if you want to buy some property, you can get an investor visa there. We can book a property there where you will not be, you don't have to give any kind of taxes. And when it comes to Dubai, if you're buying a property of 5 CR, if I will say INR 5 CR, it would be 5 CR. There will be no charges for it. There are some charges for booking amount, that would be some admin charges or DL.
Parking you give for one BR unit?
One parking. Basically, according to Dubai Land Department, we gave 2 parkings above the size of 1500 square feet. Below that, you will always get 1 parking.
What if I have 2 parking? Listen, what if I have 2 cars?
What if you have 2 cars? You can buy the additional 1 parking for that. But basically, what exactly Dubai Land Department has given us, below 1500, you will always get 1 parking.
Do we have some common parkings which we can use?
Yes, we will be having that. We will be having community parkings there, where you can, even though we have a guest parking, podium parkings for there, even if some guests will come and visit.
If I am a resident there, I can't park
Yeah, we have community parking. No, 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 no. We have parking for that too. We have community parkings for that too. This is the basic overview I was telling you. The three, can you see the three retail islands we have on the podium level? One will be cigar lounge, one will be cafe lounge, one will be other uh, all party club type, you will say. And also we are getting a license for, basically there was, it was 744 units only, in which I will tell you, which I have sold Indian people. I have done multiple road shows for the India, where we have almost not sold units, we have sold floors to Indian people. Full floors that was worth of 25 million dirhams, which was worth of 40 million dirhams, and that I'm telling you was Indian people.
What is the ROI for this?
ROI, if we will tell, you will, even if you want to flip the property, it would be around for the, if you will search, you can search it anytime, you will get it around 8 to 9%. But when it comes to 2030, it can goes up to 11 to 12%. Yes. This is all about Mirdat, and even if you want to check the layouts, let me open one layout for you. You want any specification bedroom?
900 square feet.
No, I'm telling you about first which you want, for one bedroom, you want for two bedroom.
Can you tell generally the units, if you have an idea of how it goes in India, what is the percentage of common area, what is the carpet area? You sell carpet area or it's a bit of carpet?
We will properly show that in the layout. You can tell me which unit type you will be looking for, one bedroom?
One bedroom, you said some
Okay.
800, 900 square.
Okay, let me show you the unit type of one bedroom, that is 825 square feet, and the unit number is 102. The location would be, I will properly show you. So you can see the project is Mirdat apartment, one bedroom. The total area is 826. 826, and the price per square feet is 1878, and the selling price they are giving is 1.5 million dirhams
1878
per square feet price. Yes. Let me show, this is the, yes, okay. Let's see the, wait. I will properly show you it. Okay. See the layout. Just a second. See, now properly I will show you. This is the how we will pay for the, how, what is the payment plan properly, what is the breakdown of the payment we will be having. Booking fee would be 5%, and after 15 days of booking you will be paying 15%. You must be knowing that after paying 20% and 4% DLD, you will be having SPA in your hand that you never get in India. After paying 100% in India, only then you will be having your property under your name. But in Dubai, once you pay 24% and 4% DLD charges, the property will be under your name. You will get your SPA signed within 10 days and Okud copy also. And then after 15 days of booking date, you will complete your 24%. Then the next installment will go in April 30, that will be in 2026. 5% will go. That would be side the amount you can see what would be the 5% of it. Then the next payment will go on October 31st, 2026. You can see the gap. You will have a good amount of time for the payment also. The payment is 50-50 and 5% will be there. April 30, again 5%. 50% completion, there will be 5% also. Also, I will tell you, it's a construction link payment plan. You can anyway check anytime how much construction is done. Online, there's the app where you can check. That's a Dubai REST app. You can go on your Chrome, Google Chromes. You can just log in Dubai REST app. You can just type the project name. You can check the status, everything online. Once the 50% completion is done, you can pay the 5%. After that, 70% completion, again 5%, 85, 5%, and on the completion, what you paid is just 50%. And also, after paying 40%, you will get an NOC to sell the property. You don't need to, even some people who goes for the investment, they don't basically wait for 50% because they just want to flip their properties. So after paying 40%, that would be on the time of April 30, I won't say April 30, that would be, yeah, April 30, there would be a 40%, 40% will be able, you will done on the next payment. After that, you will get NOC and you can flip your property, you can sell, and there you can see what actually, let me explain you properly. The price for this unit is 1.5 million dirhams, that is, what is the 1.5 million dirhams value of 40% that you are going to pay? Even if you're getting a property of 1.5 million dirham, you're not paying 1.5 million dirham from your pocket. When it comes to investment, you're not paying full amount. You're paying just 40% of 1.5 million dirhams. And when at a time of 40%, you will get the NOC of selling it. Whatever 40%, I can guarantee you that at the time of 40%, you will get the good appreciation at the time. If you had paid at least, I will say you have paid 500k dirhams or you have paid 800k dirhams, you will easily get 1 million in it. That means within span of few months, you can get a 200k million dirham profit, which is, you can just check the value of 1 dirham today, 200k in just months, you are getting when it comes to investment. It's a huge...
To occupy your saying, right?
Yeah, after, no, not at the time of handover. That's what I was telling you. You get the property handover would be done once it would be, all completion would be done. Till then, you will just pay 50%. But I'm telling you, before handover, once you pay 40% in Dubai, once you pay, it varies from developers, but once you pay 40% of the property value, you get an NOC from Union Properties to sell your property. So till then, you don't have to, you don't need have paid the 1.5 million dirhams. You have just paid 700k or 800k value of, and when you will sell that at the time of 40%, you will easily get 200, 300k dirham as a profit, which is a huge value. You can check how you are getting just investing within some fraction of months, you are getting that much of good. It is basically for the investors because what they do in UAE, they just bought the property, they pay till they get the NOC of selling it. Some has 35%, some has 40%. They put it till then, and they once they get the NOC, they sell it. The amount they are getting as a profit there, the profit they keep in their pockets, the rest amount they invest in some other projects. That's how investors work there. And I am telling you, basically, I am Indian too, and I have seen the maximum buyers is only and only Indians in UAE and the Europeans when it comes to Motor City, because we have the very good location there we have a Dubai Autodrome there. Now let me come to the unit type. This is the layout that I choose for you. This is the 1-bedroom layout in which you will be having a living room. This is the, see, that's the living room, and you will be having an attached balcony on it. When you will go out of the living room, there will be the kitchen. Entry would be from that side, and this will be this is 1+ maid room, multi-purpose room. You can else use, some use for it for maid, and some have kids, they can use it for that too. And that's the master bedroom in which you will be having a walk-in closets, powder room you will be having outside, and bath would be for the bedroom that would be attached. Okay, that was the live launch they were doing there in Ritz Carlton. That was our CEO who was giving the presentation of there. So, rest, I think all of you, I have given you the proper overview of the Motor City as well as the project Mirdat. So, whosoever you want to check some more layouts and discuss on all those on numbers, we can sit on with you on the table and discuss accordingly. Okay? Thank you so much.
Hello and welcome to Union Properties. I am Amar Khan Sahib, CEO and board member at Union Properties.
Of Mirdat. The location you're seeing, it's already under the construction.
Developments across town. When we put visions, I always like to keep the visions
This is,
open.
you can see the
and
construction is
inspiring
already
and,
going on
really
there.
wide. For any
Before
business,
launch,
I believe
they
a
started
vision
the
needs to
construction.
be wide, needs to be large, open-ended, needs to be inspiring. So for me, any
See,
business,
they have the key areas where they can
especially,
connect to the
what
road
I've done
already.
is, or what we have done as a board and the management is, we strive to impact people's lives positively. So how do we do that? Within real estate.
See,
The focus
they are
is
already
on three factors
just
here.
digging it.
First is the quality of life. So, and we are not just delivering brick and mortar. People live in our buildings. Children grow, people grow old, and there's a whole livelihood going on in the development. On the individual, on the family, on the community, and on the environment. The other factor is sustainability and delivering smart buildings to help in operating those buildings for the next decade. We live in an ever-changing world.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ అందరికీ వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. సో యూనియన్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ సో ఇందాక కూడా దాని గురించి డీటెయిల్స్ అవి మనం తెలుసుకున్నాము. సో దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ సెమీ గవర్నమెంట్ డెవలపర్స్ అండి, వెరీ వెరీ ట్రస్టెడ్ డెవలపర్స్ ఇన్ దుబాయ్. సో యూనియన్ ప్రాపర్టీస్తో కలిపి అర్ష్ ఆయత్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అండ్ అలానే INVY రియల్ ఎస్టేట్, సో ఒక జాయింట్ వెంచర్గా వీళ్ళు యూనియన్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వాళ్ళతో కలిసి ఈ వెంచర్ని మనకి అందించబోతూ ఉన్నారు. సో ఇట్స్ లొకేటెడ్ ఇన్ మిర్దాద్ అండి, దుబాయ్లో మోటార్ సిటీలో మనకి మిర్దాద్ వెంచర్ అన్నది లొకేట్ అయ్యి ఉంది. అండ్ అలానే సో దీనికైతే మనకి అప్రిసియేషన్ వాల్యూ చాలా ఉందండి. ఇన్ 3 years ఆఫ్ టైంలోనే మనం ఏదైతే ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తామో ఆ క్యాపిటల్ మనకి 30 to 50% అప్రిసియేషన్ని మనం చాలా ఈజీగా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ అలానే ROI కూడా మనకి 10 to 12% పర్ యానం ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఇంకా లొకాలిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ సిటీకి మనం హార్ట్ థ్రోబ్ అంటాం కదా, సో అలాంటి ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేస్లో లొకేట్ అయ్యి ఉంది మోటార్ సిటీ అనే ప్లేస్లో. సో 24 minutes టు దుబాయ్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ అండి, అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మనకి 24 minutes టు అల్ మక్తుమ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్కి. సో అటు ఇటు మనకి ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ అండ్ మధ్యలో మన వెంచర్ అన్నది ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అలానే వన్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ కైండ్గా వరల్డ్లోనే ఎక్కడా లేని విధంగా దుబాయ్ ఆటో డ్రోమ్ అన్నది ఉందండి. సో ఇది వెంచర్కి జస్ట్ అడ్జసెంట్గానే ఉంటుంది, మిర్దాద్ వెంచర్కి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే మనకి ఈ F1 రేసింగ్ అవన్నీ ఐడియా ఉంటాయి కదా, సో ఆ కార్ రేసింగ్ అన్నవి ఈ దుబాయ్ ఆటో డ్రోమ్లో జరుగుతుందన్నమాట. సో ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ అడ్జసెంట్ టు మిర్దాద్ వెంచర్. సో ఇంకా కార్ రేసింగ్స్ అవి ఇష్టపడే వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా చాలా చాలా పండగ అని చెప్పొచ్చు, బికాస్ చాలా అడ్జసెంట్గానే ఈ రేసింగ్ అవి కూడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి హ్యాపీలీ అవన్నీ కూడా మనం వాచ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ సో ఎస్, మిర్దాద్ వెంచర్ ఈ రోజే ఆల్రెడీ దుబాయ్లో మనకి లాంచ్ అయిందండి. ఇందాక వీడియోని కూడా మనందరం చూడడం జరిగింది. సో సైమల్టేనియస్లీ ఇక్కడ కూడా మిర్దాద్ వెంచర్ని మనం లాంచ్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాము. సో ఫర్ దాట్ ఐ ఇన్వైట్ సౌమ్య గారు, రెనౌడ్ యాక్ట్రెస్, అండ్ అలానే వెరీ ఫేమస్ యాక్టర్ షఫీ గారిని, ఇద్దరిని కూడా రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నానండి టు లాంచ్ ద వెంచర్ మిర్దాద్. ROI will be 12% per annum. So that's definitely a very, very wise investment you can do. So yes, సో ఇంకా ఆలోచించకుండా థాట్స్ అవి ఉంటే డూ యువర్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ రైట్ అవే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Good afternoon, Hyderabad. Hafsa Hamid this side, and I am from Union Properties, a government developer in UAE. And we are here in Hyderabad from today, 30th to 2nd off, for the launch of our new project Mirdad that's coming in Motor City. And it is officially launched in UAE today, and here also in Hyderabad. So we will be having new projects. Being a master developer of Motor City, we are having a few projects coming also in Motor City, and there's a full vision of 2030 for the Motor City. And yes, the Union Properties will be here from 1st to till 2nd, from 30th to 2nd. And yes, you can grab some good exclusive offers for the launch only. I would request everybody in Hyderabad to come and visit us on the launch events for those 4 days and grab those offers and buy your dream home. And whosoever wants to go for investment, go for investments and grab these opportunities that we are providing this for those 4 days. Thank you so much.
హాయ్ అండి, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ సౌమ్య జాను యాక్ట్రెస్. ఈరోజు మనం రాడిసన్ బ్లూకి వచ్చాము. సో ఎందుకు అని అనుకుంటున్నారా, దుబాయ్లో ఈరోజు 11 o'clockకి అక్కడ ఓపెనింగ్ అనేది ఒకటి జరిగిందండి. సో అలానే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ దుబాయ్ షో గురించి ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ప్రాజెక్ట్ లాంచ్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారు. సో యాజ్ యూజువల్ దుబాయ్లో జరుగుతుంది. సో అలాగే మీన్ వైల్ మన ఇండియాలో హైదరాబాద్లో కూడా జరుగుతుందండి. ఇట్స్ రియలీ అమేజింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఐఎమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.